Good morning everyone. Welcome to the English class. How are you all doing today? So what comes to your mind when you hear the word journey? Is it journey to a destination or is it the journey of life? Journey can be of different types. The journey of a river from the mountains to the seas. The journey of a human from being a baby to an adult. The journey of a butterfly from an egg to an adult. A journey can be any journey. So today we are going to learn a poem which is based on the theme of travel and being good to others. We are going to learn the poem We Go This Way But Once. So this is a poem about a different journey, the journey of life. So before going into more details about the poem, let's have a warm-up session. So all of you please take your English reader and turn to page number 109. You can see this page there, and let me read out the question to you. Warm up. Imagine that you want to travel to the Arctic region. Read about the place on the internet and fill in the blanks. So you might have heard about the Arctic region. The Arctic region lies around the North Pole and it includes parts of Russia, Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Sweden, and the Arctic Ocean. So you have to read more about the Arctic region on the internet in the presence of your parents, and there are a few questions given in this page. So while you do more research on the Arctic region, you can answer these questions along. So you can do this as an activity now. Please pause this video, finish the warm-up session and then come back. Hope you are done with that activity. I hope this was interesting. Now let's move on to the poem. We go this way but once. Now turn to the page number 110. Let's read the poem. Please look into your book carefully. We go this way but once, O heart of mine, why not make the journey worthwhile? Giving to those who travel with us a helping hand, a word of cheer, a smile. So what does this line mean? Each line of this poem refers to the journey while traveling to a destination and also traveling through life. So we go this way but once, O heart of mine, so why not make the journey worthwhile? It means that we go through the journey of life only once and we should make that journey worthwhile. Worthwhile means worthy or useful or meaningful. We should make the journey of life worthy or worthwhile or meaningful by being supportive to our fellow beings. How? Giving to those who travel with us a helping hand, a word of cheer, a smile. It means that let's make the journey worthy by being supportive to our fellow beings, by doing them kind deeds, speaking to them cheerful words, and also giving them a smile or a helping hand, meaning helping them when they are in a need or when they are in a trouble. Let's move on to the second stanza. We go this way but once, never more. Can we go back along the self-same way to get more out of life and do the wrongs or speak loud words we knew but did not say? We go this way but once, never more. It means that we travel through the journey of life only once. We cannot retrace the path. Can we go back along the self-same way? Self-same means exactly the same. So can we go back along the exact same way? No. We travel through the journey of life only once. We can never go back, which means the past never returns. To get more out of life, undo the wrongs. Undo means to cancel or reverse the effects of something which has already happened. Or is it possible to go back in time and speak loving words to others? Loving words which we knew but never spoke to them. Is it possible? No. So these lines mean that we go through the journey of life only once. We can never go back in time. We can never retrace that path. The past never returns. It's not possible to go back in time and correct our wrongs or mistakes. And it's not possible to go back in time and speak loving words to people, the words which we knew but we never spoke to them. So better think before you act. and always do the right thing and being supportive and loving to everyone. Let's move on to the third stanza. We go this way but once, then let us make the road we travel blossomy and sweet, with helpful, kindly deeds and tender words, smoothing the path of bruised and stumbling feet. So what does these lines mean? We go this way but once, then let us make the road we travel blossomy and sweet. Blossomy means flowery or covered with flowers. Here it means beautiful. So it says that we live only once. We travel through the journey of life only once. Let's make this journey of life, beautiful and sweet to everyone around us. How? With helpful, kindly deeds and tender words. Tender means kind and loving. Smoothing the path of bruised and stumbling. Bruise means a blue or brown or purple patch on the skin that you get when you hurt yourself. Like when you hit somewhere, you get a purple patch. That's called a bruise. Stumble means to walk or go unsteadily or hit your foot somewhere, like when you are walking or running. So these lines mean that we travel through the journey of life only once, and let's make this journey beautiful to everyone around us, to all the fellow beings, by doing them helpful and kind deeds. And also we can make the world better by doing good things to everyone around us. So let's go through the poem once again. We go this way but once, O heart of mine, so why not make the journey worthwhile, giving to those who travel with us a helping hand, a word of cheer, a smile. We go this way but once, never more. Can we go back along the self-same way to get more out of life, undo the wrongs, or speak love's words we knew but did not say? We go this way but once, then let us make the road we travel blossomy and sweet, with helpful, kindly deeds and tender words, smoothing the path of bruised and stumbling feet. So here in this poem, the poet tells us that we meet different people through different travels in our life, and we may lend them a helping hand if they need it. We should be polite and helpful to all our fellow beings, to all the people that we meet in our lifetime. We live only once, so make sure we live our life to the fullest, being cheerful, kind and satisfied. So children, I hope you enjoyed the poem. Please read the poem once again. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye.